Hello YouTubers, here we go. Finally got the 3-stage home built tower up in the air. Probably the top section needs a little bit of adjustment. It's not up as high as it could be. That's easy enough to do. Just pull down on one of the laces and refix it. But she's going up, going down. Let's go a bit closer and have a look. So after concreting the foundations in, a cage was put in. That's the cage there. It's sort of a cradle that the tower sits in, and it's bolted to that tower. So this antenna is a cross between a Versa tower and a triax, what I can see from just looking on the internet. I've got no measurements, no instructions, so just built it from scratch. 2 winches. This winch here is a 5,000-pound winch. It goes up here to that pulley up there, and that pulley up there is the one that pulls it from the horizontal position when it lays out the back here. You'd leave just 1 bolt each side, and then you pull it up using that winch there. You take the cable out of the top there, drop it down, and then you put it down through the bottom here and joins onto the bottom of the tower here, and this becomes the tilt. It'll tilt in that direction in the cradle. It pivots on that point up there. The other winch at the back here is a winch for up and down. There's also counterweights here, 100 kilos of weight to tilt it over. But let's have a go at the winch. These winches are pretty cheap. These are a thing called an X-Bull winch from China. The idea is not to run them forever. You know, they've got a load, I think it's 45 seconds. You can get them too hot and then they don't start to perform. Anyway, there it is coming down. All 3 stages on the move. Sorry about the sun. Fantastic day here in Melbourne today. About 24 degrees. Shouldn't really apologise for the sun. So next stage is to get it tilted over and start to build the antenna, put the rotator in. It's already drilled and ready to go. The rotator up there, it's all set up, ready to go. Down here, I'll just show you. No, doing that. You know, everyone knows what tower looks like coming down. This is the tilt plate I made for the tower. The boom sits across there, pulls from the bottom to release it, and then it swings. So as the tower goes down, the antenna always stays horizontal. Just a homemade, quite heavy, homemade device. Bolts onto the pole. Oh, okay, in the shadow, but anyway, bolts onto the pole, and stainless steel spring for the release mechanism. A cable runs down to the ground and you just pull it and that releases it. So that's a homemade tilt plate. Let's do a bit more. So when it comes down, those spiky parts on the bottom of the tower will lock into those cylinders and hold everything nice and tight. And there we go. So there we go. Next video will be the antenna installed. I like to put covers on top of these winches, try to keep them a little bit out of the weather. Make them last a bit longer. That's the setup down the bottom for the release it, so it tilts over so I can work on the antenna. And there we go, the homemade 3-stage tilt over tower. Certainly saved a lot of money doing it myself. I think it was about a bit over $1,000 in steel, so just a lot of time, a lot of setup. Thanks for watching. See you next video.